Hey Mara babes, what's up? It's your girl Marabelle, right? So let's talk about this. Okay, we all have those bundles, AfroKinky bundles, extensions, whatever it is, clip-ins, or even headband wigs or wigs in general, and they just get so matted after you install them sometimes, and it's like, oh my god, you just might feel like you throw them away. But I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. Okay, this is how the hair is supposed to look. Look at the beautiful curls. It's totally unrecognizable. This definitely does not look anything like this. So stay tuned. So this is two bundles of 16-inch AfroKinky hair, and as you can see, it's really dry and everything. I'm actually going to be doing it in sections so you can better see exactly what I'm doing. And today we'll be using the 9-piece styling kit from Marabelle Haircare. It has in everything you need to maintain, detangle, and style your AfroKinky bundles, headband wigs, or anything like that. Right, so what I normally do is I take the white tooth comb and I put it at the top of the extension. Just push it through, right? Oh, this is a better view of what I'm doing. So you just push it through the base so that when you're detangling it doesn't slip through your hand, right? So there you go. And never detangle your hair dry. One word to the wise. Okay, it's gonna make it so much harder and you're more likely to destroy the hair if you do it that way. So now that you have the comb at the base of the hair, you can see exactly what I did. You're gonna fully wet the hair, dunk it in water, and then I'm gonna be using any oil conditioner that you have will work. Right, so yeah, the hair is fully wet. I just went and dunked it in some water. Right now you can see it's really wet, and then I'm just gonna apply the conditioner to it real quick. So you could use any conditioner whatsoever. So you fully saturate it with the conditioner, and you can actually run your fingers through it to just make sure that you get out any of the super huge tangles. It's already coming into form, right? And it becomes really slippery hair, yeah. So then I'm gonna use the detangling brush from out of the kit, and then I'm just gonna go in from the bottom, right? That's the best place to start. So yeah, it gets really slippery from here, but I'm just gonna go in from the bottom, right? Hold it in my hand. See, the bottom is getting fully detangled here, and you just inch it up every time you brush through it. So if you're seeing, the half of it is almost fully detangled, right? The bottom is fully detangled, and the curls are coming back really nicely too. And so you just continue doing the same thing all the way to the top, right? Until all of the extension is detangled. And as you can see, it's literally so easy with this brush. Okay, like it literally does 80% of the job, and then with a good slippery conditioner and ensuring that the hair is fully wet, you'll definitely get back those curls like super like literally look at that. I'm actually gonna use this hair to do a slick back ponytail in my next video, so I'm super excited. I'm so happy that I didn't have to dispose of these bundles, because how they look before, like utter catastrophe. Like, look at this. Look at this. And like, it's literally so dry and awful. So what I'm doing here is, as you reach to the base of the hair, you could apply more conditioner if necessary, and you could also keep your spray bottle nearby to ensure that the hair stays very wet and lubricated while you're trying to detangle the hair. Right, so this is what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, this literally putting it in the comb also makes a world of a difference. So, because literally you're able to just comb it out. There you go. There you go. And as you see fit, you could also do more and more of the bundles in the comb if you want. I'm just doing a small portion so that you can see the definition that's happening here, and so that you can see exactly what I'm doing in the camera. But yeah, pretty much that's it. So I'm actually going to do the rest of the bundle right now. So that you can see what's going on, and you can see that not much of the hair was breaking while I'm detangling it with this method. You still have all of the hair staying intact, not having uneven length within the bundle, which is what you want to ensure that you do maintain, so that when you reuse the hair, you still get the same quality, style, and look that you want. So now that I'm finished with this section of the bundle, super easy, I'm going to take one of these clips that comes in this styling kit, and I'm just going to clip it like this to keep it separated from the rest of the bundle that I'm going to detangle. Guys, you can't tell me that this is not looking like brand new. Like, the definition just, oh, I'm super excited for it when I detangle everything. I'm back. The bundles are fully detangled. Literally, I'm not gonna lie, I sewed in the 16-inch AfroKinky bundles, and you know, honestly, I wasn't sure if everything was going to detangle from looking at it when I was starting this video, but I am pleasantly surprised. Like, you can see how good quality this hair is, because literally it looks like when I just got it, and it did not have much shedding whatsoever when I was detangling it. So I will definitely link the information to these bundles below if you'd like to get them, but I would definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. Like, these curls super defined, looking amazing, and I can't wait to use these bundles in the ponytail. I've been making a video about it, so you can definitely check it out. I'm going to be posting it soon, but that's it. It didn't take much time whatsoever. It took like 15 minutes tops. And yeah, so be sure to detangle your bundles instead of throwing them away.